guys, I am showing you all of my mommy's fidgets today. So I took over her channel for today. Ow! I'm just gonna bite my mommy. Because I don't have them, so I couldn't play this video. So I just licked her face. So my first puppet, or my first fidget, are these two puppets. A rainbow one. It's super awesome. It's pretty good. Don't mind that broken remote that just showed up. It's just another fidget. Okay, mommy, I don't want to do this. Goodbye. Okay, guys, she does not want to take over my channel today. Good. So, like she was saying, there is a rainbow puppet. Two of them. One, she didn't say that this one was Among Us, but it is a rainbow Among Us character. This one has an extra color, so that's why they couldn't put the red in it. It has that teal color right there. That filled in for red and in the wrong, in a different spot. I'm not gonna say wrong because they probably did that on purpose. People like to do things like that. Same with me. Super good, these two puppets. So the trading ones that I got from trading will go over here. The ones that I didn't get from trading will go here. Two puppets separate. Sweet pea. So this one is a pink changing color because when you shake it, it changes colors. So I think that's pretty cool. Then I have this remote right here. It is from trading from the same person that I got from here. It is same day too. Then I have this. It's a rainbow walrus. It's squishy. I can't talk today, guys. I'm sorry. But anyway, it's a narwhal. It's rainbow and it's seafood. So I think it's cute and it's squishy. And I have this right here. It's squishy. It's just an item, and you like rub it around. Just don't take it out. So, and then I have these two flappers. I like to keep them together. I shouldn't squeeze too hard because I literally just broke it a bit. But that's how it sounds. Put that right there. And then I have a green squishy water bottle. Also changing color. Then I have these. Another squishy water bottle. Just like those. And then I have this I got from Christmas. They're two little Among Us squishies. Uh-oh. Go. This way. No, this way, this way, this way. Ow, my face, my back, my face, my back, my face, my back. Okay, LOL. Okay. Man, most of my fidgets are just from home. Squishy orange fidget. Back. And this one I literally made. It's so easy. So I think it's easy to make. It only took one item, but I also put symbols in the middle. So you can do that too, but you don't have to. So I have these, but they're not good. They're just cups. Sometimes I like to do this with them. And then I have another green one. It's the same thing, just green. Just a lot. So then I have my cheese. So cute. yellow apple. So cute, guys. It's my new face. Hi, guys. I love. Guys, I have so many on this side. There's literally only 2 on that side. Another strawberry mochi. I have so many mochis. Oh yeah, I just got these 2 yesterday. So it's an elephant that I did not have. It's so cute. And this is also from the same person who gave me these. So yeah, I've never traded with anyone else except for that one person. So I know who they are, but I don't want to say their name just in case they don't want me to put it in the video. But it's okay for me to, but I want to make sure because she might not like that. So yeah, anyway. Oh, here is the elephant. Ooh, red dot, red dot. She's super nice. Yeah, and she also gave me this little seal. Meh. Oh well. So let's put that over there. And then I have this little Easter egg. It's super cute. I got okay. So I also have a water timer. This clacky. Guys, sorry about I didn't give you guys a flash warning. So if I bring any of these hard num-nums out, that's a flash warning. So I'll probably say it. Flash warning. Okay, that goes over there. This is the water timer that I literally got. I got so much of this stuff yesterday. All the emojis were from yesterday, by the way, guys. Little cherries, da 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 da. If you guys saw my, I want to say last video, but I think it's the one before my last video. You guys might be familiar, especially with this one. I know this one wasn't in my video, that's for sure. I'm a fat little bunny. Then I have a cherry. One was born without a face. They're conjoined twins. Just one is faceless. Yeah, I am, but I can still talk. Oh, no, you can't. I'm in your hand. I see you. I'm a chickpea. Boom, 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 boom. I got a yellow chicken. Or chick. Then I have a cute little blue bunny. So cute. It's Chubby's bunny. Wait, no, this is the Chubby's bunny. Boing, boing. Avocado. I got a little avocado. He's so cute. Then I have another chick, but it's green. That looks like an upside down face up close. It still looks like an upside. See? Now it looks normal. Is that how it goes? Like this? Or does it? No, it can't. Look, because the bottom. It goes like this. Okay, that's confusing. Oh, and then I have a watermelon. Guys, don't mind it if it's missing a face, but the cherry one actually was born without a face. The other side had a face, just not the other. This one had a face, but something happened. Then the other side is just blank. There is like nothing, just this side. Anyway, it's super squishy. It's definitely one of my favorite emojis. And then I have a sheep, a purple one, and then I should have another one. Oh yeah, I have magnetic beads. These are all mine, but I also got some from trading, but I just got them back from trading because I trade different stuff, and then same person yet again traded them like back to me. She loved these. So when I ever say like someone traded me these, it's the same person, okay? So she just traded them back to me for like something else, and I accepted it and stuff. I have so many though. This is like the rainbow pack, and then I also have hot pink ones. So yeah. Kidding, they're not edible. So that goes over there. My side. Oh my gosh, guys! I will show you my side in just a bit if I can get the rest of my fidget toy. And then I have this one. What the heck is this? Let's just put that over there. It's not in the pile. It's not in any pile. I'll just put it over there. I don't really know what it is. And this one's kind of like a puppet. Just you don't have to like flip it like this. You just like do it like this, and it always comes back up. And you can also do it. It's kind of like this. Just more like a puppet because the buttons are round. So, let's get this. I think this is the last one. Did you just see this? Well, the last one is a grape. Super duper cute. I like a grape. Delicious. Let's toss that over there. Then that is, nope, it's not the last, but this I think is the last item of our day. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that. So, guys, hit the thumbs up, hit the like, and hit the subscribe button, please. Boink, 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 boink. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. So before I end this video, I am doing a giveaway. So if you say that you subscribed and stuff, I'll check. All right. Comment down below that you subscribed, and you will get, let's see, I will give you this little chicken. Okay, guys, I actually can't give these away because, yeah. But you can still like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.